Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are healthy, happy, safe, staying at home, and just following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, guys, today I have an important announcement to make that today is the last day for the live session. It's been 7 days today, and since in the first video I announced that I'll be taking live sessions for the 7 days. There was a purpose behind it, to generate funds for the COVID-19 people, and in whichever way we can contribute to the society and to the human beings, for the humanity, to the Prime Minister Care Fund. So we have generated almost, in 4 to 5 visits, the funds has been raised from last 7 days, and thank you so much. I'm grateful to all of you who have been, who had been contributed and who have contributed, even if it was a small amount. I'm grateful to you. Even if it's a big amount, I'm grateful to you guys. So thank you so much, guys. I'm really, really, really grateful to each and every single person out there who has made this contribution for this live session. And the purpose of us was that whatever funds we are generating, or we were trying to generate, I was not expecting that much of amount, but in whichever way you contributed to us, thank you so much for trusting us, and thank you so much for the donations you have made. We are grateful to you guys, and today is the last day for the donations. If you want to donate, you can read the caption above. After posting this video, there's a Google Pay link, so you can make a donation with that. But yeah, grateful to you guys for helping me and my team for the both Vasol Tarot prediction and Vasol counseling in generating the funds, and grateful. So today is the last day. Today is the day 7. So today I won't be taking much of your time. Today is the last day, so whatever questions, if you have any, you can ask me, because I am live right now, and there's just one small activity which I'll be talking to you. There will be few questions. You have to take a pen and a paper, and you have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. Where do you stand? 1 is the highest one, and the 5th is the lowest one. Okay, so where do you see yourself? You just have to give one rating, rating between 1 to 5. Where do you see yourself? So I'll be asking you few questions about it. So when it comes to your strength, okay, strength. Okay, so where do you rate yourself? That means that between 1 to 5, where do you see? Suppose I feel that I am, when it comes to my strongness, I am strong enough. So my rating is 1. Okay, because that is the first number. And where do you see yourself when it comes to your strong? That you feel you're strong. So you have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. Are you least strong, or are you the first one to be stronger? You have to analyze yourself. Okay, where do you see yourself? Take page and pen, and you have to write yourself. Where do you rate yourself when it comes to your strongness? Between 1 to 5. Okay, and the second question, weakness. Okay, so where do you find where do you think that do you think that you are weak enough? Are you weak in some way? You have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. Whether it's 3, for example, me, I don't think that I am weak enough, so I'll be rating myself as a 4. Okay, I am weak, but not every time. So I will rate myself at I'll give myself a rating of 4. Okay, so the first one was strongness, second one was weakness, the third one was ability. How much ability do you have to face the problem? What is the rating would you like to give? Ability. Okay, the fourth one is capacity. If there is some obstacles, how much capable you are to face that issue or to face that problem. So you have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. Okay, so this was the fourth one. Fifth, are you emotional less? Are you emotional less? Do you have no emotions? Like emotional less and you have no emotions is one on the same thing. Okay, so are you emotionless? You have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. Okay, next question, are you filled with emotions? Like you have lot of emotions in you? You have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. Next question, are you capable enough to take a risk? Are you a risk taker? You have to rate yourself between 1 to 5. The 1 is highest rating, okay, which is good enough in a positive sense. 5 is the least rating. Okay, so 1 is the highest. So are you a risk taker? I am a risk taker, so that is 1, because I left out my job and I started my own business. That was a risk, big risk when it comes to financial things. So I rate myself as 1. Okay, are you can you take a risk or not? That's the thing. Okay, next question, are you a decision maker? Rate yourself between 1 to 5. Are you a decision maker? Next question, are you successful enough? You have to rate yourself. Are you successful enough? 1 to 5. You have to rate yourself. Are you a person with commitment? Do you take your commitments sincerely? Rate yourself. Next question. Do you really get sad or depressed easily? Rate yourself. Okay.